We will share him together. I go nowhere.
Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for helping us to share. Thank you for helping us to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for liking this channel. Really, this channel is growing all because of you guys. Thank you very much. As you all know, here we give you latest gist about celebrities. We give you things happening around the world. Here we give you hot. Like here, we give you raw.
So my people, this video today, this gist one gist na two in one. One na from Simi and our husband Adekule Gold, and the other one our cross dresser Jace Brown. So now the two now we want analyze today, my people. You get am? So first of all, make we address Simi. Wetin happen to Simi? Simi say he no want me anybody discredit e husband, no matter who you be. Say na a king, na him be the crown over her head. No matter anything. In case you don't know wetin happen, now one writer for Twitter go discredit a husband. Now Simi react, he reply and say, no, never, never. Now this man, I make am say that they see me. Now this man, I make me who I be. So not try am for your life. Not try and insult my husband. Because if you insult am, I no go take am with you. So in reply, the person sharply say, never, 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 never talk to my husband like this. Now so it's supposed to be. Say na the man be the crown over her head. So never, never, never try and talk to her. She no allow me anybody discredit her husband, no matter anything. Stay your boundary, stay your way. If in case you don't know Simi na one of our wonderful and beautiful artists. She dey perform like never before. You understand? Her music and they sweet like waiting on. So two of them now artists. So there be people when everybody love. They know they get time. They did their own. I never hear say these two people they drag anything for social media. They live their own JJJ life. No be they know they put that celebrity put for head till they raw body as the rest till they raw body. So I don't think say make anybody please all these commenter mona the comment at times where these people are humans. These people they think blood they go for their body. So if una come they talk waiting not good to they go they affect them. It go dey affect them emotionally. There be people like us. You know, just go person comment section, go they discredit the person. No, if you don't like the picture, you don't like what you see, waka. It's not compulsory. You must comment. And they tell people it's not compulsory. You must comment for people comment section. If you don't like what they do, waka pass. Instead of you can't stop, you can't write. It's not good. You can't take insult. It's not good. They insult that person. If now you, how you go be? If you dread their position, they think calm. So my people are beg, make with the heart way. It's not good. See me, no they happy at all. Now make I instantly reply the person say, he no go green, he no go take her, never. Make I read what she write, what she reply the person. He say, you all need to stop discrediting my man, okay? That's my husband. He puts the work in and he is an handsome writer. Meaning wetin she dey talk dey try to tell us say even the song wey she dey sing so now this man dey write am and this man dey do a lot of things. That music when we dey enjoy, I believe say a lot of people dey enjoy Simi music. For me, I be number one fans. So he said that the man dey put a lot of writing. So you people leave these people alone, leave this couple. In case you don't know, they are couple, they are married, they have a child. Make una leave them alone, make they suffer, they enjoy their private life, they go. She's very, very quiet. I believe in her so she go be. She not get time. She not be this social media flink. Make una leave them comment. I beg. Mostly commenters. I beg. Make una the comment where I beg. I see they feel for them. Even we self when they do all these videos, at times when they get some comments where we won't make you cry. I beg. If you know say you they watch the thing, you don't like and suffer pass. No they put bad comments. It's not good. So I beg on me even they join seminar. Say, Mona stop to the discredit a man, a husband. I beg. She not like her. She's not happy with it. And you people should take it like that. Okay? So my people, over to the next gist. Hey, my people. Nothing will not go here. While I be like bicycle. Now our cross dresser. Jace Brown, nothing will not go here. He say, in case you never see the matter, this one make me laugh. Me no come on mad before. In come they talk say, he and his sister now go share. They say in love and you know say they go fight, they go do everything. But only one thing, when it be say go happen, they go share the same man together. that one go happen. How na concern me no can understand because this their cross dressing when they say that they do, they say na business they do one. Later na me no they come they know whether they want you come change finish, come they take our place. Me no come know. Now na they talk tell younger sisters and they go share mat together. This one can't get me confused. Oh. I no can know how I go take talk am. Now say only more I no go hear this one or see this one. Make I carry and come my people more come talk. Before we analyze am, make I drop am the way, make I read down the way into drop am down before we come analyze am, my people. He say, my sister, my blood, my heart. We might fight and have misunderstanding, but I will always love you. We might share the same man, but it can never break our bond. Hey, my people, you dey see life. The thing tire me. He said if you share the same man, he said that one no go see even destroy them. Many two of them they do one. The thing shock me, my people. As I see, I don't understand. Even though say you want prophesy your love to your sister, prophesy and straight. Which I can be say, even though say we share the same man together, me no understand. Finally, say she don't come out for the body way in there now can't come our side. Me no understand when they want to share the same man together. Now understand. So I not go feel just you get now. So now they back the thing where. So my people, I don't understand. Now so Bob Whiskey just start. See the way it all did now. Nah. This one again. My people. Our country we get culture. This our Nigeria, we get culture where we for this Nigeria, we get culture. All these people now they go they change for us, so we get culture because now they say na brand that they do, that they advertise it, that they help people, they help brands, they say their things, that make that they do this thing. Now that one will go here, but later now they come they turn. Imagine see what thing come they talk now say they go fish share man together. I don't understand. Get her beg now. Woman is supposed go share, not be man. Which one you want to follow your sister? You will be girl. I don't know my people not be say I did. My person not got to say why I dey judge. I know they judge, but I just talk and we as an Africa we get culture. So all this kind of thing not support because now so we felt the year for Bob Whiskey. In say in they sell follow brand. So in they do advert or in they do all this thing just to sell their product. In not they do anything. In not be like that. In a still get. But later now come the year say in a mama of a co. Now small time now we go constantly here now say. James Brown go say more they refer to Mama of Worry, I been a Mama of Ijebu. So we not can know. So my people, this thing they get me thinking. I don't know how na they see am, how una reason now. Waiting this James Brown talk concerning this one. Say he and his sister fit share man, the bond go still hold strong. That word it correct there for me. I dey feel say that word get IB, it too go. But I don't know how una reason now. The way una tell reason now. Una go drop una comment at the comment section. Now my own let me talk. Everybody is entitled to his own opinion. So mona not to take am personal. Una not understand. So thank you, my amazing and wonderful people. If you have watched up to this extent and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please smash on that subscribe button, put in all your notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. I love you all and I will see you on my next video. Bye.